Hi, good to see you again, sort of. Last time we talked about motivation and there was this element in it about like continuing behaviour, and I said that habit didn't come up anyway, so we're going to look at habit this time. I did a lot of work on habit last year, did a lot of research into it, and one area that I was particularly intrigued by, it was a book called Tiny Habits by a guy who set up and ran the Behavioural Science Centre at Stanford University. Now, this guy's got a lot of credibility. He had the people from Twitter go through there, he had the people who set up Instagram go through his classes. And the essence of what he says about habits is that we make a couple of fundamental mistakes. So if we want to set up a good habit and to start a good habit, then what we need to be able to do is have three things in place. And those three things are motivation, in other words, the desire to do it, the skill or the knowledge to be able to do it, but then we need some sort of prompt. So let me give you an example. He had a woman who wanted to floss her teeth on a regular basis, but just never got into the habit of doing it. So he said to her, just do one tooth. And she thought he was a bit nuts and told him. And he said, no, trust me, just do one tooth. Before you brush your teeth, do one tooth, then brush your teeth. So she got the floss, she did one tooth, and she thought, this is ridiculous. But she did two or three and thought, okay, now I'm gonna brush my teeth. And she did that over a period of time until she got into the habit of flossing all of her teeth all the time. Because the next time she thought, oh, well, I did two or three, like I did this side last time, now I do this side, and I did this side and that side last time, now I work down to the bottom, and it built up over a period of time. Now the prompt for her was easy because she was going to the bathroom to clean her teeth anyway. So if you've got that element in there, then that makes it easier to execute the habit. The same thing is in terms of like this prompt. If you're trying to get rid of a bad habit, like snacking on biscuits and cakes, I know it sounds obvious, but remove the prompt that makes you do that. Don't buy biscuits, don't buy cakes. That's what I did myself. And it does work. I mean, I hate it sometimes, but I sit at home, think I want a biscuit, I haven't got one, and I can't be bothered to walk to the shops and get it. So that's how much I really need or want that biscuit at that time. Habits are a brilliant thing to lay a foundation for it. We need discipline for it. But the great thing I like about his book is that what it does is it makes that discipline easier so that we can acquire that whoever we are. So take a look at that book if you'd like. I'll put a link in the comments. And also take a look at the website because I've put some more information on habits on there. Have a good week.